Hey everybody, Bryce Kendrick here at Force Turbos. How are you? Hey, we've been having lots of fun riding our Polaris Boost, and we found some products that you're going to need for better performance and more reliability. Come on in and I'll show you. First, you're going to need one of our boost bands. Our boost bands were designed to work in the intake tube going towards the turbo. This intake tube, when the machine gets hot and underhood heat becomes too high, this intake tube starts to collapse on you. This boost band will fit inside of that tube to keep it open and be able to supply as much air as possible from your air vents up above. Let me take you and show you how to install this now. Okay, the first step you're going to need to install this boost band is to remove both side panels. This one's already removed. Let's remove the other side. The next thing you're going to need to do is remove the hood. After that, you're going to take a screwdriver and you're going to undo the air intake plenum. Loosen this clamp and remove the two darts. Okay, the next thing you're going to need to do is remove the rubber boot from the intake plenum. That's done by taking your pair of pliers and putting into the clamp and breaking the clamp off. Then you can just remove the boot. Your next thing to do will be to install your boost band inside your rubber boot. That's done by taking a pair of pliers and collapsing the boost band as small as you can, holding it on the end and installing it down in the tip. Okay, once you got the boost band installed, it fits in about 2 inches from the tip. You can see about midway through the 90 degree. Once you have that installed, put her back together, use the supplied clamp that we give you, and you're ready to ride. Go check us out at forceturbos.com. Hope you like the product.